I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix the keyboard on your Android device being too big. Step 1. Open an app on your Android device where you can input text. In this example, I'll open the Google Docs app. Step 2. Tap inside of a text entry space to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Step 3. Tap the More icon above the keyboard, which features 4 boxes. The keyboard is replaced with a menu. Step 4. Tap Resize. A box is displayed over the keyboard with handles around the edges. Step 5. Tap and hold your finger against the handle at the top center of this box and then slide it down until you land on what you want to be the new height for your Android keyboard. Tap Done. That box will close and your Android keyboard will be displayed in your defined area. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.